Hi everyone, in this video I will solve more problems applying the different rules of derivative. So we'll solve like 5 or 6 problems today. So let's say we have a function y equal 3 sine 2x minus 4 cosine 2x. So the derivative y prime is equal to 3 multiplied, the derivative of sine is cosine 2x, multiplied by the derivative of the insides, which is 2, minus 4. The derivative of cosine is sine, minus sine 2x, multiplied by the derivative of the inside function, which is 2. So to simplify this derivative, y prime is equal to 3 times 2 is 6 cosine 2x, minus times minus is plus, 4 times 2 is 8 multiplied by sine 2x, and this is the derivative for this function. Y equal tangent 4x. So tangent is equal to sine 4x over cosine 4x. So we'll apply the quotient rule. Y prime is equal to the derivative of the top, which is cosine 4x multiplied by 4, minus, or before we do minus, so as I said, the derivative of the top, which is cosine 4x times 4 multiplied by the bottom cosine 4x, minus the top sine 4x multiplied by the derivative of the bottom function, which is minus sine 4x multiplied by the derivative of the inside, which is 4, over the square of the bottom, which is cosine 4x into square. So y prime will be equal to 4 cosine 4x times cosine 4x is cosine square 4x, minus times minus is plus, and I will write the 4 here, and sine 4x times sine 4x is sine square 4x over cosine 4x to power 2. Y prime is equal 4 and 4, I will take it outside as a common factor, 4 into cosine square 4x plus sine square 4x over cosine 4x square. And as we know, there is an identity, which is cosine square alpha plus sine square alpha is equal to 1. So this is 1, so that means this here I can write it as 1. So y prime is equal to 4 times 1 is 4 over cosine 4x square. And as we know, secant alpha is 1 over cosine alpha. So this here I can write it as y prime is equal to 4 multiplied by secant square 4x, and this is the derivative for that problem. Let's solve another examples. Y equal 1 over 3 minus cosine x. So here we'll apply the quotient rule. Y prime is equal to the derivative of 1 is 0 multiplied by the bottom 3 minus cosine x, minus the top, which is 1, multiplied by the derivative of the bottom, which is minus derivative of cosine x is minus sine x over the square of the bottom. So this will be y prime is equal to 0 times this here is 0, minus times minus times minus is minus sine x over 3 minus cosine x power square. Another problem, let's say we have y equal cosine square into 3x. This here I can write it as cosine 3x all of having a power 2. So the derivative is equal to 2 multiplied by cosine 3x. 2 minus 1 is 1 times the derivative of the inside function, which is minus sine 3x, times the derivative of this inside function, which is 3. So y prime is equal to 2 times 3 is 6, minus, I can write it outside, cosine 3x multiplied by sine 3x. And this is the solution. Let's say we have a function which is equal to sine 2x multiplied by e to power 4x. So here we have trigonometric function multiplied by exponential function. So we'll apply the product rule. Y prime is equal to the derivative of the first function, which is cosine 2x multiplied by 2 multiplied by the second function, which is e to power 4x plus the first function as it is, sine 2x multiplied by the derivative of the second function, which is e to power 4x multiplied by 4. And this I can write it as 2 cosine 2x multiplied by e to power 4x plus 4 sine 2x multiplied by e to power 4x. And this is the solution. Let's solve one more problem. Let's say we have y equal tangent 2x multiplied by another function, which is x. So I can write I know that the derivative of tangent to x is secant square. So y prime is equal to, the derivative of tangent is secant square 2x multiplied by the inside function 2 multiplied by the second function x plus the first function as it is tangent 2x multiplied by the derivative of the second function, which is 1. So y prime is equal to 2x times secant square 2x plus tangent 2x. And this is the derivative for that function. I'm Hatem Omari. Thank you for watching my video about derivative examples. If there is something not clear in this video, feel free to watch it as much as you want. If you need me to solve any problem in math in any topic, send me a request in the comment below and I will upload the solution. If you like this video, please press like. Thank you.